What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. So yep, it's my birthday today. I turned 29, but on to other stuff. Today we are working on the Jetta and we are going to install pods in the Jetta today. All right, so the plan is to put the gauges right here. This is the AC. It does not work at all, so I'm going to remove it out. I don't even have AC in the car, period. So I'm going to just remove this out and put these gauges, put these pods, the glow shift pods, in this spot right here. So let me take out the AC and then I will put that in. Alright, dope. So here is the pod and it is going to sit inside of there. Now it doesn't just kind of bolt in there. So I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to get the screws to attach inside. So let me figure that out. Before I get started with that though, I did end up getting some new spark plug wires. So I got a brand new set. I don't know if you guys can read that. And they're pretty cool because they're numbered. It has a number on them too, so all I gotta do is take out them and put the new ones in. So this should be pretty fast and pretty simple. And boom, just like that, new spark plug wires are in. So the reason why I changed the old ones out is because they were really bad. The car only has 104,000 miles on it. I don't know how they got this bad. It has corrosion all on the inside of them, on pretty much all the plugs now. And then one of them was covered pretty much in oil, so that's why I changed them out. So the oil pressure gauge has came in. I still haven't mounted the pods in to where I'm going to place the pods in. So when I ordered mine, it came with the gauge itself. And I guess this is the sensor, which sucks because I just put a new one in there. So yeah. And then this is the wire. So now let me figure out how I gotta work this. So I had to pull off the front of the car to make space to get down there to the oil plug, but I managed to get the oil plug out of there. Managed to get the oil plug out, or oil sensor. So now I gotta stick this one inside of there. Alright, so got that sensor hooked in down there, and then I ran the wire through there, through the car, and then it shoots out right here. So I managed to just run the power wire to the amp, the signal to the oil sensor, and the ground. I just grounded it, and let's see if we can get some power now. Oh, yep, there we are. I don't think I'm gonna have a number yet until I crank the car up. So let me put all this stuff back together and we can see if we can get some numbers on this thing. Alright, let's see if we can get some numbers. That's actually pretty dope. So I'm waiting on one more gauge to come in the mail, and that is my AFR gauge, and then I should be set.